Come, today I got this very nice 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom penthouse to show you. Okay, as we enter from this private lift lobby, wide and expansive this whole living dining area is, okay, whereby you can host at least 20 to 30 packs of your guests, okay, to enjoy this cozy living dining area. All right, so for this particular unit, renovation was last done about 4 years ago. All right, come, let me show you the balcony. Zip track all done up, so this one can close up and become your additional enclosed area. Okay, we have a ceiling fan as well, all right, to cool down this area. We'll show you the roof terrace up there. Okay, so from this side we can go up the roof terrace. Let me show you the roof terrace. Okay, as we come up right from the first level. Okay, now we are at this roof terrace area. You can have your alfresco dining over here. Okay, at night, now afternoon very hot, but if in the evening you come here, it'll be very nice, breezy at night. And look at the view across the horizon there. Okay, exactly this direction towards the end, right? You can see MBS. You can zoom in. Yeah, it is MBS. Basically, this view here is like unblocked, and you have your privacy. Nobody will look into you when you are doing your private alfresco dining in this place. So you can also do your laundry over here. Okay, the owner actually did up this laundry area. We also have this kitchenette whereby you can do your cooking over here, and then you can serve your guests. All right, and if you want to, there's also a place for you to do a barbecue. All right, okay, come, let me show you the rest of the unit. We have this dry kitchen area, this island over here, okay, to do your pastry, pizza, whatever on this island tabletop. All right, we have a wet kitchen area over here, and we do have this sliding door over here, okay, whereby we can close up when we are doing heavy cooking, okay, so that there won't be any oil or whatever that will flow out. So this one will close up all the way, all right, and close this wet kitchen area. Okay, so at the back of the wet kitchen area, there's also a helper's room. Okay, helper's room, there's also this helper's WC area at the back. Right, when you're here for a viewing, you can have a look at it. Hey, come, follow me. Let me show you the bedrooms. The first bedroom over here, okay, very spacious. Okay, if you want to put in a queen size bed, even a king size bed is not an issue. Okay, full height wardrobe done up. Okay, nice flooring. Okay, nice parquet flooring. Okay, the second bedroom, equally big and spacious. All right, it's a quiet facing out there. Okay, nice view. All right, same full height wardrobe. Okay, let me show you the other bedroom. Okay, the attached bath. Then this I would say this one is a junior master. Okay, this is a junior master room. Okay, nice view. You turn out and have a look. Okay, nice greenery view. Okay, when you wake up, you see the greens out there. Very nice. Okay, come, let me show you the master room. Okay, the master comes with this balcony on this side. Okay, there's this balcony outside for the master. Right, very nice area. Okay, full height glass wardrobe. Okay, then you can have a look at this master bathroom. Okay, very nicely done up. Okay, the colors also very nice. Okay, earth tone. Okay, very luxuriously done. If you would like to see more of this unit, alright, do drop us a comment below. Make an appointment with us. We will see you soon.